Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to enhance the performance of your Chrome browser. By following these simple steps, you can optimize your browsing experience and enjoy a faster and more efficient Chrome. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome by locating and clicking on its icon. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the More menu at the top right corner of the browser window. It is represented by 3 dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, you will find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it to access the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. Now, on the left side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Look for and click on the category called Performance. Step 5. Within the Performance section, you'll find an option called Memory Saver. To enhance Chrome's performance, simply toggle the switch next to it to turn Memory Saver on. Enabling Memory Saver in Chrome helps optimize your browser's performance by reducing memory usage. This can result in quicker loading times, smoother scrolling, and an overall improved browsing experience. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your Chrome browser and enjoy a faster, more efficient browsing experience. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to a smoother browsing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing the performance of your Chrome browser. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Chrome-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.